Good morning, Phil Ash here with Investing Daily. Today I am going to sell one of my trades from Jim Fink's seasonal stock alert. Jim made these recommendations back on March 23rd. Today is June 9th, so roughly 2.5 months ago. And on Yum Brands, Jim recommended that we either buy the stock outright, right here, first strategy, buy Yum Brand stock. Second strategy is sell a put, which is essentially like setting a limit order to buy the stock below the current market price and get paid while you wait. And the third strategy, which I did, is simply to buy a call to profit on any upside movement. So I bought a June 120 call. It doesn't expire until a week from today, but based on the seasonality that Jim has identified for Yum stocks over the last 10 years, it is best to sell this or close this trade out on June 7th, which was 2 days ago. And unfortunately, I was busy, so I didn't make that happen. But I'm going to set a limit order price to sell that option today. Just to give you a sense of the seasonality, this is how Yum stock has performed from March 22nd to June 7th in each of the last 10 years. And you can see in that time period, it has 100% positive seasonality. It has risen in that time period every year for the last 10 years. So that's why Jim recommended this stock, and that's part of the strategy he uses for making all of his recommendations in seasonal stock alert. So let's pop over to my Fidelity account here and just take a look at my open portfolio of seasonal stock alert trades. Here is the Yum 120 call that I bought 2.5 months ago. It has a total gain of 17%. Right now, it's off 8% today, unfortunately. So it did have roughly a 25% return before the opening today. I'm going to go ahead and set a, let's see what the midpoint is. I'm going to sell to close my one contract, my call option that expires on June 16th with a strike of 120. The midpoint right now is 13.4. I'm going to go ahead and set a limit price right now because I've got 6 trading days left on this. Even though the seasonality period has still ended, I'm just going to kind of take the risk here. But I'm going to go ahead and set my limit order price at 13.9, which is higher than the midpoint, but a price that I think I will be able to get. I'm going to set it as good till canceled. And I'm going to go ahead and place this order. And it will not fill right away, of course, but I will check back in and give you an update when it does sell. And I'm back just 5 minutes later. I did not think that limit order would fill so quickly, but it did, so that's great. Probably left a little money on the table, but so it goes. Only playing around with one contract here, not a big deal. Let's go ahead and just see what kind of return we got on that trade in 2.5 months. So this is for Yum. And let's go ahead, just look at all the transactions year to date for Yum. So I bought this call option for $1,120, sold it for $1,389. That is a profit of $269, which is a 24% return in 2.5 months. Just put that in perspective. If I were to annualize that, that would have been 115% annual return. So 24% in 2.5 months, not bad. I will be back with some more seasonal stock alert trades when the others close. Have a great day.